In this video, we are going to be looking at multi-step equations, and this is the fifth video in our series of our book of solving equations. Now, for multi-step equations, guys, don't worry. This is actually at algebra level. So the stuff that we've been doing before has kind of been pre-algebra. This is definitely algebra. So I'm just showing it to you so that you are familiar with it, but you don't have to necessarily master it this school year. Okay, so think of this as like a challenge or an extension tutorial. Okay, all right. So when you're doing multi-step equations, it's actually exactly what you did with your hands-on equations, but they're giving you sort of a set of rules or procedures to follow, kind of like order of operations. Like if you do the things in this order, you'll get to the right answer. But all of it is really logical. It all really makes sense. So, step one, you are always going to distribute. So, the distributive property, that's what you're going to do first. Wherever you have parentheses, you are going to D for distribute. The second step, you are going to combine like terms. Okay, so C stands for combine like terms. Step three, you are going to move your variables to one side. So M is for move variables. Step four, you are going to add or maybe subtract by the constants. Okay, so A is for add. And then step five is multiply or divide by the coefficient. So M is for multiply. And we've given you a handy dandy little acronym to help you remember. So don't call me after midnight. So just like you learned kind of PEMDAS, this is the order of operations. For multi-step equations, it's don't call me after midnight, DCMAM. So distribute, combine like terms, move variables to one side, add and subtract the constants, multiply and divide by the coefficient. Now, like anything we do, I don't want you to just memorize this without understanding. So we're going to demo this, and hopefully it'll solidify why we do everything in this order, but it's totally connected to what we did with our hands-on equation set.